Tori Smith. I'm from Humble, Texas. I'm not here for redemption. I've already nailed it once.
Victoria, you're the winner of the $10,000! Hit her with that cash!
Today we have a very special episode, Nailed It, Mommy and Me edition. I'm your host, Kinsley Lister, and we have our competitors, Miss Tori from Tori's Sweet Shop, who is the only person to be a two-time Nailed It champion and featured in the Nailed It cookbook. And she is here to defend her title. She'll be going head-to-head with our world-renowned bakers, Krissy and Kinsley Lister from the Mommy and Me Bakery. Let's meet them in the kitchen now. Miss Tori, thank you so much for being here. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good today. How about yourself?
I'm great. Are you ready for this competition?
Oh, I'm ready.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Krissy from the Lister Bakery, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you Are you so excited?
Yes.
Are you a little nervous?
No.
No. I love that. All right, let's get started. Ready to get baking?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Let's see what cupcakes they're going to bake. These are our cupcakes that feature Black History Month, bold women in Black history with our little leaders. Partner with Mommy and Me, the Listers. Let's see which cupcakes our bakers go for. Awesome. So Krissy from Mommy and Me Bakery went with the Mommy and Me, the Listers Black History Month cupcake. Miss Tori.
I'll go with the gold.
Uh-oh, she's going with the gold. All right, let's get baking. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Our bakers will be using a recipe from the Nailed It cookbook. And as they're baking, we're gonna zoom in and check in and see what they're up to. Let's go.
Now I had to mix it.
As our bakers are back there busy baking, I wanted to share the recipe that they'll be using from our very own Nailed It cookbook. For cupcakes, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2/3 cup of whole milk. Let's see as we go check in on our bakers. Come on. Krissy, I see that you're already baking. What's the special ingredient in your cupcakes?
Love.
Aw, love. I love that. So we're going to go check out in on Miss Tori. Are you okay?
Yes.
All right, get to baking.
Did the mix.
Oh, I see Miss Tori has some mixing going on in there. It looks great. Miss Tori, how are you coming along?
I'm coming along pretty good.
Now, do you also have a secret ingredient in your cupcakes?
Yeah. Don't tell nobody. Sweetness.
Sweetness. We have love on one side of the kitchen and sweetness over here. I'm so excited to see what Miss Tori's Sweet Shop comes up with. It's looking great.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles now.
We are.
With only 30 more minutes on the clock, our bakers look like they're getting ready to put their cupcake mixes in the oven. So let's check in on them. Krissy Lister from Mommy and Me Bakery, how are you holding up? You're doing a great job there. So,
Do you want some of this?
I can't wait to taste it. It smells real. Smells really good already.
You have me nervous over here, little mama.
Miss Tori said you have her nervous. Are you excited about how your cupcakes are gonna come out?
No.
Me too. Miss Tori, your cupcakes are looking pretty good. Smelling pretty good.
That's the sweetness, girl.
Oh, sweet. She said it was sweetness, and this one was love. So let's see. I can't wait until they get in the oven. Remember, just 30 minutes left, okay?
Okay.
Uh-oh. Miss Tori's headed to the oven.
I'm gonna put that in there. Right there. That's a good job. Okay, now let's close the oven door. It has to bake.
A few minutes later.
Trust me.
I think they're
In
ready.
that pot.
Krissy, I see you already have your cupcakes in the oven. Miss Tori, ooh, they smell great. She's getting her cupcakes out. Are you gonna check on your cupcakes?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and check on them.
Hey. Are they baking?
They're baking? Do they look good?
Yes.
I think so too. You think they're ready or they need a little more time?
They're ready.
You think so?
Yes.
I think they may need a little more time. You have about 20 minutes left on the Nailed It clock, so let's let them bake for a little while longer, okay?
Okay.
All right. Here we are with Eleanor Humes, who is a pastry baker in her own right. We are so excited that you joined us with Nailed It Mommy and Me edition. Now, we have two competitors there today. We have Miss Tori with Tori's Sweet Shop, and then we have Mommy and Me Bakery with Krissy and Kinsley. Now, those two girls are so cute. What do
They
you think?
are. I just love them. They are so sweet. You see what I have on? My Mommy and Me t-shirt. So
Wait.
I'm a little biased, but don't tell anybody.
We won't tell. We won't tell them. Those girls are so cute. I would wear a Mommy and Me shirt too. Miss Tori is amazing. Whose cupcake are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to tasting the Lister girls, but really Miss Tori's because I heard so much wonderful things about her and stuff. So
I mean, she is our two-time Nailed It champion. She really is Black history.
Yes, she is. And so I'm waiting to look at those cupcakes. I'm waiting to judge for appearance, taste, most all flavor. I want to know what flavor they use and can't wait to taste them.
That's so exciting. You know their secret ingredient. The Lister girls were love.
I can't wait to taste love.
And Miss Tori's was sweetness.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I'm kind of nervous now. I don't know what to say
Me
now.
too. Let's check back in with them.
Okay.
Your cupcakes
Did you hear that?
are
Your
ready.
cupcake timer just went off. Are you ready to get your cupcakes out of the oven?
Yes.
All right, let's see what they look like.
Oh, that's a big one. I'm gonna open it up for you. And you have to be really careful. Ready? Take it out. Oh, there you go. One hand. Oh, let me help you. Let me help you. That can be a little heavy. There we go. Come on, let's go and put it up here. Now, don't think I'm gonna let you win though, just because I'm helping you. There you go.
Okay, now that both cupcakes are now out the oven, it's time to go to our decoration station.
Decoration station.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. All right, Miss Tori have our decorations. And here's what you can choose from. Remember what your cupcakes are supposed to look like, okay?
Okay.
All right, now let's get to decorating, bakers.
Let me see you roll it. Oh, girl, you're doing good. You are doing good, just like that. Oh, awesome. Can you do the H?
Yes.
Okay, let me see you punch it in there. Real hard and move it around. Oh, look, perfect. It's inside of there. And now we're gonna poke it down.
You gonna put me down?
No, not you. We're gonna poke down the H. It's not nice to poke people. Now we have our B, our H, and our M. And I have to add this. Oh, shucks. I don't have a toothpick. That's okay, that's okay. I'm gonna borrow this. You think they'll miss it?
Yes.
Oh, I hope not. Okay. Now this, I'm gonna sit out here for the judge. No. Oh, girl, that's good.
Oh,
That is
it's
good. Do that one too. You gotta do that one too.
And more sprinkles. And even more sprinkles.
Alrighty.
Again, good job. Ooh.
You clean it up? You don't have to do that. You have a cleanup crew here for that. You don't clean up our mess.
Okay. Uh-oh, we have some decorations going on, flying off the shelves. We see Miss Tori's cupcakes. We see Mommy and Me's Bakery's cupcakes. And Kinsley decided to join us. She is the resident decorator is what it looks like. So Krissy, you had to have Kinsley in to help you decorate?
Yes.
All right, can we zoom in a little bit on Krissy's mouth? Have you been eating, look at the camera, have you been eating these cupcakes?
No.
No? Are you sure?
No.
No, I don't think so. I don't think you're so sure either. All right, okay, let's look at what we were trying to make. Hey, uh-oh, I see Miss Tori's, I see Krissy's, and they're adding sprinkles on the back end here. All right, let's go to our judges. So we're just checking back in, and it looks like a winner has been announced. The winner is, yes, it is Mommy and Me Bakery. Yay! Mommy and Me Bakery. On behalf of Nailed It Mommy and Me Edition, we present you with this. Look! Yay! This says, Mommy and Me Bakery, Krissy and Kinsley Lister, the Nailed It Mommy and Me winners, $10,000.
Whoa.
Yeah. I think it's safe to say that you nailed it. Thank you so much for tuning
Perfect.
in. Nailed it. Thank you so much for tuning into Mommy and Me. Thank you so much for tuning into Mommy and Me.
The listers.